I put in a hard day at work. And all I want to do is rest.
3 hours later.
Hey, what's with all the burping?
Well, me and Orange Cow were staying up all night and...
Well, shut up! I'm trying to sleep. I put in a hard day's work. That's it. Those losers have just lost their life privileges. Good night, Black Goose and Orange Cow.
good night, Black Frog. Yeah, good night, Black Frog.
You guys are a very comfy bed.